and welcome to Ready Set Demo. Well, I have a new class for you and it is definitely something a bit different for you, and hopefully if you are teaching for your customers as well. I am calling this the Creative Art Textures class, where we're going to learn or rediscover techniques and work our way through to more involved projects. So we start with a couple of straightforward projects where we and our customers can start to use our creativity and build our confidence with making decisions about how these projects are going to look. We then move on to use more techniques and mediums to build on or share our knowledge of the creative process. We finish with highly textured multimedia cards and home decor items. Now, what this enables you to do as Demonstrator is to put together a series, 2 or 3 classes that build up with this knowledge. And don't worry if you're not fond of the colours or you would like to change those up, because you absolutely can. Just change out the designer paper, the inks, the dies and the stamps. As long as you've got some texture stamps in there, you can absolutely do this and make it a pretty pink project. Let me give you a close-up of one of those kind of end game projects. We have designed this little box, so you can cover a box of your choice as well. I'll also show you this one. This is a little interactive card. Oh, I love this. And show you how to do this one and make it work. We've also got, as I say, home decor items. We've got notebook covers. We can have framed projects. It's me and my lovely sister. And some little home decor pieces as well as we go through, and of course cards. We have 9 projects in all. Now this is just a £12 class, which is around about just under $16 US, depending on exactly what PayPal is doing today. And for that, you are going to get 9 videos showing you each of the projects step by step. We have an introduction video, so we talk about what we're using. So in the class, we are using gears and textures, which, as I say, you could change out for some other texture stamps and other dies. We also talk about the paper that we're using here is Exploring Nature, but again, you can change that out. But we also talk a little bit about how you might want to do this, and I give you some teaching tips as we go throughout all those videos. All the printables are editable and non-logo, so you can use these in your face-to-face classes or in your online classes that are behind a paywall. So that's my kind of how I do it. If you want to see more about my terms and conditions, do have a little check on the Ready Set Demo website. I have non-logoed layout photos. Additionally, we've got a class pricing video, and I think quite important for this one are tools and measurements. So as well as having all the measurements for the projects, we've also got a tools list and a materials list, so you know everything that you will require. With the exception of things like the frame and a chipboard heart, everything is Stampin' Up. Some mixed media or multimedia classes require things that Stampin' Up don't do. So I have kept this within the Stampin' Up family, so you can actually make these with our Stampin' Up goodies. So I do hope you like the project. It's an exciting class, I think, something a bit different, something your customers haven't seen, and sometimes they like to experience something different. And also this gives your customers the ability to increase their creativity as they make the series of projects that we've got here, or just pick 1 or 2. You know your customers best. So thank you for visiting Ready Set Demo today. I would love it if you would order the class. You'll find the links down below if you're on YouTube to take you to Ready Set Demo. And if you're watching from within our Ready Set Demo community, then just click Add to Cart and this will be winging its way to your email inbox. Thanks for visiting today and I'll see you soon. Bye.